Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2018 Ford Explorer Limited all-wheel drive, stock number E1860P. 41,000 miles on this Explorer. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Ingot Silver Metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7, leather interior. Outboard middle row seats are heated, along with rear climate control. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumbles forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Power stowing rear seats, fold flat with the push of a button. They will also reverse and go back into the upright position. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 3 drivers, power seats along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, 3-zone climate control, driver, passenger, and separate rear heat and air, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and climate, along with heated seats as well as cooled seats. Keep it comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. All-wheel drive and lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. And home-link transmitter for garage door opener overhead. Under the hood, this Explorer has a 3.5 liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 16 miles per gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway. And new tires on the 20-inch rims. For more information on this Explorer, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.